Hello. For most, Thursday's looking dry and bright. Certainly an awful lot drier and an awful lot brighter across northwest England and Wales compared to Wednesday. We are going to see a bit of a switch around though, because across East Anglia and South East England, where Wednesday is bright and mild, it looks an awful lot duller with even some patchy rain around as well. Let's take a look at the bigger picture because some low pressure is nearby, but it's this weather front that's slicing the country in two, and a lot of isobars in the chart as well. Quite a windy Wednesday. The wind's easing down as the isobars open up a little bit, and that rain will finally be petering out on Wednesday night over northwest England and North Wales. Still a potential for further disruption and potential for further flooding as that rain takes a while to come down from the hills and mountains, but it is fizzling out, so turning an awful lot drier. As that weather front edges its way eastwards, it does weaken, but it will still bring some heavy rain at times over southwest England through the night. That weather front is also a cold front, so it's introducing colder air, and we could see some pockets of frost across eastern Scotland, where we keep clearer skies, but another very mild night across East Anglia and the southeast. But a very different day here on Thursday. Some early rain, perhaps over the Midlands and southwest England, but all the while it's moving its way eastwards. Some uncertainty about exactly how much rain there'll be and when it will clear, but basically a cloudy day for East Anglia and the southeast with some patchy rain likely. But a much brighter, drier day for Wales and northern England with sunny spells. Just a few showers in North Wales. Some showers keeping going across northwest Scotland as well. But again, across much of southern Scotland, much drier, much brighter than it has been. The winds will be a lot lighter as well on Thursday. Still pretty gusty across the far north, especially early on in the day. But that was a cold front moving through, so a fresher feel. Temperatures not as high, but still above average for most places. With a bit of sunshine, we could easily get up to double digits in a few places. Now that cloud and patchy rain, as I say, some uncertainty about when it clears, but it should be disappearing during Thursday evening. And then look at this, largely dry and clear for most. Main exception will be across the far north of Scotland, where there will be a weather front bringing some outbreaks of rain. But otherwise, dry and clear, and just a hint of blue on the chart there, suggesting that in rural parts, maybe of the Midlands, Wales, southwest England, there could easily be some pockets of frost in places. But for most, Friday's a fine day. Could start with a little bit of mist and fog around as well. It could take a while to clear, but across Shetland, that rain will peter out. And so for most places, Friday is a good-looking day if you like it dry and bright with sunny spells. The winds will be a lot lighter as well. So overall, a fine Friday in prospect. A colder start, yes, but by the afternoon, temperatures more widely up to double digits. Beyond that, in a few places where we see some lengthy spells of sunshine. Fine weather on Friday, and you know what? For most, that's going to last into the weekend as well. A bit more cloud across parts of the north on Saturday, but the outlook even into next week is largely dry. Still cold enough at night for some touches of frost and a few fog patches, but by day it will be mild, especially where we see some sunny spells. For our longer range 10-day trend, you can catch that on our YouTube channel or of course on Twitter and Facebook.